guys, today's date is January 2nd, 2023. Happy New Year's to everybody. Let's get into our first analysis of the Dow Jones, aka US30, for the first week that the market will be open for the year. So, last month, in the month of December, we had a bearish month. We had a strong drop that occurred a couple of weeks ago, and ever since we've had this drop, I've been waiting on the retest to complete to potentially take a long-term sale of the market, and we're still in that retest phase. Prices actually started consolidating and moving sideways, and has actually formed a nice triangle. And when we go down to the lower time frames, we'll be able to see that a lot better. So let's go down to the 4-hour, and boom, we have a nice triangle on our hands here. And I am still looking for the retest of this 33,700 area. So my bias is still up and then down. So looking for sales at this. So I'm looking for sales at this area to continue to the downside. This will be a lower high here. We had a swing high here. We came down. Now I'm looking for price to push up and give us this retest and create another swing high here. And we can continue to the downside. Now, that is my bias. However, the market does not care about my bias. So we're consolidating right now. And honestly, in consolidation, we can go either way. We can either break up and push to the upside, or we can break down and push to the downside. So I will be sitting on my hands this week until we get a break of either the upside or the downside. And then if we go down to the 5-minute time frame here, you'll notice that we're rejecting resistance a lot. And we have what can, let me go to the 15-minute. Yep. Okay. So we have what can be considered a left shoulder here. It's not pretty, but we have a head, and then we're potentially forming a right shoulder here, which could indicate more down movement. We might push up a little further maybe, and then continue down. So we kind of have like a head and shoulder here. And so I honestly believe that we'll continue to consolidate. And I would just be patient and wait on an entry. If we potentially get, once we come down to this level, we see a bullish pattern of some sort, a double bottom or inverted head and shoulder, then I would potentially take that move to the upside. And honestly, just depends on the market at this point. So I will be sitting on my hands. There's a couple levels to watch out for at the bottom here. So even if we do break out of this triangle, I wouldn't sell if we broke out of this. I would wait to see how price reacts off of this. And same thing, if we get a bullish pattern off of this zone, I would take it up. So right now, it's just a waiting game once again. I did not place any trades last week as we moved sideways in this triangle. And this week, we'll just be waiting. We have a lot of news this week. We go over to Forex Factory here. We have, as it relates to the USD, we have red folders on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In particular, on Wednesday, the Fed will be meeting. And then, of course, this being the first Friday of the month, we have NFP. So a lot of news ahead, a lot of volatility in the market very soon. So I think it's best to be patient traders and just wait and see. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon.